The circular sewing attachment allows you to stitch decorative stitches in a circle up to 10 inches in diameter. It has an adjustable arm and a sharp point called the pin on which your fabric rotates while you're stitching. To attach it to the machine, remove the clear bobbin cover plate and snap the circular sewing attachment into place. Prepare your fabric by marking the center of your circle with a water-soluble marker. Put a layer of stabilizer behind it and reinforce the center with pieces of masking tape. Remove the cover for the pin. Push your fabric down so the sharp point goes through your center mark. Put the cover back on the pin. Loosen the slider and adjust the fabric so your outer mark is under the needle. Lock the slider. Choose your decorative stitch. Begin sewing, helping to feed the fabric. The circular sewing attachment keeps your stitches an exact distance from the center. Sew right up to your beginning stitch. Clip your thread, remove the cap, and you've sewn a decorative stitch in a complete circle.